Hey folks, Jordan, Hazel's Humble Homestead. As you can see, we got a mess behind us. The other night we got a pretty good rain, and this cheap Chinese greenhouse didn't hold up very well. I was hoping to at least get a year out of it, but I got like 2 months. So we're gonna tear all that apart, and then I have another Chinese carport we're gonna put up and see how well that one holds up. So stay tuned and see what happens. All right, we got the site all cleaned up. We moved all that stuff back in here. Our longer term plan is this carport. We're gonna close off the ends of it. The back half is gonna be storage. Front half is gonna be like the boys' workshop area. Run some power out here for them and kind of give them their own space. But until we got the funds and means to do that, it's storage for now. Here is our new set. This is a 10 by 20 carport. I will find the link on Amazon for this and put it down below. The box was destroyed. So this is what we got. I don't see any instructions, but oh, there might be some right up there. Some over there. Okay, good. We got something we'll start a fire with. But we're gonna get this put together now, and hopefully it goes smooth. Okay, we're getting it together. As you saw, we were going around taping all the joints just because it's not real tight fitting. I've seen videos where guys put these cheap ones together and they recommend duct taping them. And then I also went through and put some self-tappers in there just because I don't trust them. And I mean, they're probably still gonna break, but maybe we'll get a year out of it. Well, there we go. They say to put the top on first, but I don't like working on the ground, so we're gonna put it on now. Oh. Covers on. We got it anchored down. I had these anchors from the last thing we had here. I will link those below as well. Tied it off to the carport there because I don't have anchors in the corners. So yeah, now we're gonna get some sides for it because we want to close it in because we're gonna park 4-wheelers in here, and that way we just kind of keep them from getting rained on and stuff. So we'll see how long this lasts.
Hopefully that's longer than the last one.
We'll leave a link down below. Let's see, here it is. Caravan canopy. It's a 10 by 20. Easy to go together, but it's not real heavy duty. I don't expect it to last very long, but hopefully we can get a year or so out of it. All right, guys, canopy carport thing is done. We're gonna park the four-wheelers under there and call it an evening. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments below. If not, we'll catch you guys next time. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.